Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about art and craft supplies business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website first. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating websites where they can display and sell their products. So this is the first you have to do now is click here and enter your email. Now click start free trial. Now you can just skip all this, just click here, skip all, and click here. Now you can log in with whatever you want. Wait a few seconds to build in this website. This your store. Now the first you have to do, click here online store and click themes. So here where you can change your theme if you want. Now here you can change your theme if you want to change it. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Just choose it and click add and wait to install in the theme. Now the theme is ready, so you can publish it. Click here and click publish. Now you can customize your theme on your homepage website. So click here, customize. This is your homepage of your store. So the first thing here you have this. You can make it like a desktop or mobile or full screen. So that's it. I'm gonna keep it just like this. Here if you wanna edit or design your homepage website, you have here the header, the announcements bar, so you can change the color scheme, or if you wanna turn this on and show separator line, or you can just click like this. You can disable it. You can turn this on and show icon on desktop. You can also turn this on and enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Now let's move on to this. Welcome to our store. Here you can change the text if you want. This is the announcements. You can put a link here, or if you want to search for something. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now let's move on to the header. Here you can manage the desktop logo position. You can change it. You can also change the main menu. You can delete it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type, and also you can change the sticky header. For example, I'm gonna make it like this. You can turn this on. You can manage the scheme color or the menu color scheme. So here you can also turn this on, the country region selector or language selector. You can manage the spacing and the section padding. You can choose your logo here if you want to add your social media links. So you can add your Instagram or your Facebook link or your Pinterest, so whatever you want. Here if you want to add your logo, you can upload it from your library, or for example art and craft logo. For example, like this. Now wait a few seconds to upload in this logo. Just for example, you can just upload it from your library or from wherever you want. Now this is your logo. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on to another thing. Here you have the image with text. So here you can select an image. For example, you can just search for on Google art and craft uh, pictures. So for example, you can choose whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna just Just for example, I'm gonna choose this and put it here. Now wait a few seconds to uploading this. So that's it. Now let's move on to another step. Here you can change the image height, or if you want to change the desktop image placement, you can change the desktop content position. So that's it. You can remove this section if you want. Just select the section and you can remove it easy. You can add a new label, or you can change the label here if you want. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here, select anyone you want, what kind of content you want to add on your home page. Like if you want to add some images to present your business. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can move on to the featured collections. Here you can generate the heading, like just click here and now click now here type describe what this text is about. For example, art, just art, and click generate. So for example, like this. You can add some image, some new image here about your business. You can change this, the product card. You can manage the image shape. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, all you have to do now is click save. After you're done from designing your website, now exit. Now let's go home, and here you can name your store if you want. So after you're done from here, after you add the a custom domain, or if you wanna add also sharing details, you can import products. So here the add your first product, you can add it, just click here import product. So after you're done from this, click here store settings and name your store. So here you can name it, just put any name you want. You can add your store phone, you can change your store email. So after this, click save. That's it. Now after you're done from all this, now all you have to do is click here launch your online store and you can publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.